Wow, this hotel room view is iconic. Before I show it to you, welcome back to another video. I'm literally in this country, in this city for the next 24 hours. I'm here for an incredible launch and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. But a couple of hours ago, I was actually in the United Arab Emirates getting ready to board this flight, getting on this flight to come to this country, this city for the first time. I've traveled extensively in the Middle East, but this is my first time here. Where am I? This might give you a clue. Dunya, look, that there is a Cairo tower, and over here is the famous Nile River. Time to tease you a little. It's got something to do with this device in my hand, but without giving it away, see if you can comment down below what smartphone it might be. However, the event is like in a couple of hours, and I can't not come to Cairo without checking one of the big landmarks. So let's go and check that out really quickly. This is the famous River Nile. We've read about it and now we're seeing it in the flesh. Absolutely incredible. By the way, I'm running a little late because I had to get changed for the main event. So let's go. Wow, what an absolutely stunning location. So this event for this new phone is taking place in a place called Dar al-Darb, which is in Cairo, but it's basically, it was built in the 11th century by Salah ad-Din as a citadel. And obviously now it's not used for that, but it is used as an epic drop to launch new phones. And this is the phone that we're here in Cairo for. So we've got all the famous YouTubers from the Middle East like Mr. Tech, and then this dude over here, Omar Daiza, who most Egyptians will know. The event is over and they've got a whole section here where they're showing off different parts of the phone. This looks really cool. Check that out. And check this out. This is one strong foldable phone. That's cool, man. Gosh, good morning. We got back late last night, but I have to get up early this morning because trip is still not yet over. We're doing something fun today, so let's get ready. Right, I'm ready. Alright guys, we've just got to the first location. So that there is not the River Nile, it's actually Lake Qarun. And look at this view, perfect to take some photos. Enough of the view. Now we're gonna have some breakfast, and this is the first place we're having breakfast. This is called ftir, like a bread. We've got I'm assuming this is an omelette, tomato with cheese, and this they call black honey, but it's actually molasses. One of the advantages of having such a large display is that you can use it as a viewfinder. Really helpful. By the way, change of scenery, look where we are, new location. And this is a room that I've literally got for a few hours because in like 6 hours or so I fly back out. It's even got its own hot tub. I would have loved to use that, but unfortunately I'm not even staying here tonight. And look at the hotel room inside. Now obviously here in the Middle East it gets really hot around lunchtime, so they told us to rest up because apparently after lunch we've got more adventures, and that makes it the perfect chance to test out the bed. Here we go. Oh, this is comfortable. By the way, I was trying to rest and I couldn't rest because I could hear these noises, and I realized, look, they got peacocks here. Look how beautiful they look. Alright, we're taking photos before we go on this trip. Alright, our driver is here. We are in the middle of the desert. We're gonna go dune bashing now. Let's go, let's go. I have no idea what Mahmoud from our team is doing because he's all the way out there. So after all that excitement, we just stopped in the desert. You know what's amazing to me is that I know I live in the Middle East and we have desert in the United Arab Emirates. I don't go and explore it as much, but like when you're out here in the desert, it's incredible. It's peaceful, it's tranquil. The emptiness, it's just something else. شوي انت برو على فكره انت برو على فكره سي بسم الله بسم الله صلي على النبي. Yo, I thought I was living dangerously, but Ihab is the one who's living on the edge. No, don't go. We still need you, we still want you. In case any of you are wondering, this is a tough phone, but would it survive this kind of drop? OMG, look at that. I'm not too sure. Right, I'm exhausted. Back in Cairo, got changed. Everything is packed. I literally fly out in 2 hours, so we better hurry up. While I go, I want you to check out the full review of the OPPO Find N5 somewhere on the side. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If you've enjoyed this video, hit like. Let me know if you want to see more adventures like this, and I'll see you perhaps for the next one. I'm Kwan. Peace and blessings.